Hey people, so yesterday I saw this movie called Wife of Ram that is on Netflix, and probably this is the first time ever I have to say that there is the person portraying the villainous character, Adarsh Balakrishna. He is, I think, one of the most I don't know, underrated performers in the industry today, like underrated uh, actors. Listen, because this whole slot of being a villain is like Adarsh Balakrishna has a certain presence, that is very like if we were to look back, Amrish Puri, that one actor was an artist who could make his villainous role so convincing that till date people remember that line Mogambo Khush Hua. So it's like Adarsh Balakrishna, the actor, I feel has it in him to uh, like uh, he is able to portray the grays of human nature very well, so like truly like I mean so like now that we've lost Irfan Khan and like Irfan Khan had managed to make a mark in Hollywood simply since he brought that Indian element to the whole when he starred in the Lost World, I think, Jurassic Park, the series. So also I feel Adarsh Balakrishna is an actor that he I feel he'll do well, be it in any industry, simply since did you know this that apparently in this movie that John Abraham starred in, Force 2, John Abraham himself was very keen that the person who's opposite him, like in terms of the villain, has to be of a certain stature himself, like like because John Abraham has this whole so that's how Vidyut Jambal was approached for that movie. So I truly feel Adarsh Balakrishna is an actor who he has to get his due. Yeah, I mean we have such a good performer with us, and people should tap into that because he can like I said, it's the gray. It's he doesn't portray a complete character as, I mean, of course most of us we tend to see people in complete black or complete white, but in fact all of us are the slightly gray. Twinkle Khanna, the columnist, she mentions this, that we are all different shades of gray. So on that count, I mean, Adarsh Balakrishna, portrays that any character with there's a certain element of believability. So hats off, yeah. So this movie Wife of Ram, and there was this other movie that I saw. He's starred in so many films, yeah. So amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.